Okay, so we're going to start off with painting the top and the bottom sections of your box red. The middle section will be green. We'll also be adding in a few of the black paint to create a shadow effect. And after you have put your black paint between the two top and bottom sections, we'll add in some white over the black paint. Next, take your wreath and your gold flowers. Next, you will apply some hot glue onto your gold flowers and add those onto your mini wreath. Okay, so now you're ready to go ahead and add on your gold letters onto your wooden books. Next, take your twine and wrap it around your books. Using your hot glue, apply a small amount on the back side of your wreath. Then add your wreath onto the top section of your book. Next, take a small section of your twine and add on your red bells. After you have done so, take your twine and loop it through the twine that is already wrapped around your book, and go ahead and finish it off by tying off a knot. That's it. Your Christmas stacked books are now complete. I hope that you have enjoyed this easy DIY project. If so, I'd love if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.